Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn progressions exercise number 3 question number 12. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with the center A of radius 0.5 cm, 1.0 cm, 1.5 cm, 2.0 cm as shown in figure. What is the total length of a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? So very simple question and very important question. So here they are making a spiral with centers A and B. So this is center A, this is center B. So first time they are drawing from center A with a radius of 0.5. So taking a radius of 0.5, keeping the needle here, they are drawing one arc like that, one spiral like that. Okay, now this is 0.5. Okay, 0.5 it is. Now keeping the compass needle at B, now taking a radius of 1.01 centimeter, they are drawing another spiral like this. Okay, next again they are keeping the needle at center A and taking a radius of 1.5 and drawing one more spiral like this. Okay, both will connect here. So like that they are continuing alternatively from center A and center B. So if they are continuing like that up to 13 consecutive semicircles, so find the total length of such a spiral made, he's asking. So these spirals are looking like semicircles. If you observe, they are looking like semicircle. So now what we have to do, we have to find the circumference of a semicircle. So circumference of a semicircle. Circumference of a semicircle. What is the formula to calculate the circumference of a semicircle? Pi r. So sum of 13 semicircles circumference that is equal to pi. Radius of first semicircle will be okay pi into r1 plus pi into r2 plus pi into r3 pi into r4 and so on up to 13 semicircles we have pi into r13. So now what is the radius of first semicircle? Pi into 0.5. What is the radius of second semicircle? Pi into 1.0. What is the third circle? 1.5. Pi into fourth semicircle will be 2.0 and so on. So up to 13 semicircles. Okay. So just you see here, take pi common, remaining will be 0.5, 1.0, 1.5 plus 2.0 and so on up to 13 semicircles. Okay. So now here, just you observe here 0.5 and 1.0, 1.5. Here the common difference is same. So therefore, it will form an AP series. So now what I will do, I am going to find the sum of 13 terms in this series. Okay, that will give you the total radius. Okay, first you see here, if you see this is in this first term is nothing but 0.5. Difference is nothing but 1.0 minus 0.5. Again it is 0.5 only, or 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. You can write 0.5 as 1 by 2. Okay, now we will solve the question. So pi into, so this is nothing but S13 we have to find, S13. So we know the formula, Sn is nothing but n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula of Sn we know. So S13 we have to find, pi means 22 by 7 into S13, sum of the radius up to 13 terms. So now n by 2, 13 by 2, okay, 2a, 2 into 0.5, okay, plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1, here the difference is 0.5 again. So see the calculation, this is 22 by 7 as it is into 13 by 2, okay. Here you see, you write this 0.5 as 1 by 2. We can write 1 by 2 or 0.5, both will be same. So 12, 13 minus 1 will be 12 here. This is again you write 1 by 2. 0.5 is nothing but 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So what is left here? 22 by 7 okay, into 13 by 2, inside the bracket 1 plus 6 is nothing but 7. 7 is going to cancel, 2 1 time, 2 11 times. 11 into 13 is nothing but 143. So in the question he is asking to find the length of such a spiral made up to 13 consecutive semicircles. Therefore the length of 13 consecutive semicircles is nothing but 143 centimeters. So he mentioned everything in the centimeter. So our final answer is also in centimeters. So I hope you understood. So very simple question. Here 13 semicircles are there. So the radius of first semicircle is 0.5, second semicircle is 1.0, third semicircle is nothing but 1.5, fourth semicircle is 2.0, and so on up to 13 semicircles. So if you observe here, this will form an AP series. Find the total radius by using the formula S13. So you will get total radius with the help of S13. Now we have to find the circumference is nothing but perimeter of that semicircle. So we know that circumference of a semicircle is nothing but pi into r. So multiply that S13 total radius with pi. That will give you the answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.